My name is Eric Myers. I am in our Agile Services organization as a strategic consultant. I have been a consultant for over a year, but I have been in the Agile and project portfolio management space for over 30 years. Rego University this year, I will be co-presenting 2 hands-on sessions on strategic portfolio management and another on Agile and PPM tools. But my goal isn't just to share, I'm also there to learn. The most valuable moments often come from hallway conversations, the unexpected insights, and seeing how others are navigating similar challenges. It's that exchange, practitioner to practitioner, that sharpens our perspectives and makes the Rego University experience truly rewarding. My favorite part of Rego U is spending time meeting existing and new customers, sharing knowledge, and learning from others.